Community forest organizations were on Monday sensitized on best practices for loggers of Carriacou Region 3 through a capacity building workshop.
The capacity building workshop was hosted by the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. Everton Gibson of King William Dam and Leslie Jones of Saxacali both said they are now equipped with knowledge on environmental authorization. They plan to share this newfound knowledge with other community forest operators, CFOs.
I never knew that as loggers, we're supposed to apply to the EPA for a license to do our harvesting before going to GFC. I learned that today, and I learned also new things in how to go about doing the application for an EPA license, likewise rules and procedures we should take.
What I learned today, I may have to share with them, tell them, what I've learned today. It is very interesting.
Senior Environmental Officer of EPA, Candace Thompson, explained that the workshop is fitting since many logging offenses are committed in these areas.
When the CFOs become authorized and we conduct our inspections and we see they are breaching some of the permit conditions, which will deal with some of those issues that you spoke about, air, noise, waste, and so on, what we will do is to recommend corrective measures to them, how they can mitigate, to reduce the risk, reduce the impacts. We would make those recommendations and give them a reliable time to implement those measures. And of course, we will follow up.
Coming to you from the foreshores of Carriacou Region 3, with videographer Kareem Peters, Kepani Jordan, InfoHub.